Hello friends, I want to tell you a joke today. I'm in a nearby park for a morning walk. I'm just loving the ambience here. The birds are chirping, and if I'm not exaggerating, it appears as if the entire park has just bathed in tranquility, to put it in literary fashion. Okay, first of all, let me tell you what prompts me to share this joke with you. It is, of course, the prevalent political turmoil in our country, as you are fully cognizant with the fact that almost all of us have become and grown a bit acrimonious in our expression of our political opinions, and to the extent that it has plagued our interpersonal relations. So I think we should just lighten up a bit, and maybe this joke will serve this purpose. So friends, the joke that I am about to tell you involves Jacques Derrida. Derrida, as you might know, was an Algerian-born French philosopher, one of the pioneers of postmodernism along with Lyotard and Foucault and others. He was very famous for his groundbreaking theory of deconstruction, and he died, I guess, in 2004. You can double check on that. So friends, Derrida once went to a seminar to give a talk. The hall was jam-packed. Everybody was very excited that they are about to hear Derrida speak. And to me, of course, their excitement made perfect sense, because they might have been fully acquainted with his intellectual might, his philosophical prowess. So friends, Derrida went to the podium and kicked off his talk. 15 or 20 minutes into the talk, everybody realized that his entire discussion revolved around cows. Now this was something that just took everybody off guard. They were just perplexed, utterly confused, because none of his utterances were making sense to them. And they were thinking that why would a person of his caliber, a postmodernist, instead of talking and delving into profound philosophical concepts and theories, now talking about a biological animal. So this is something that was very perplexing to them. They were baffled by it. The fact that despite not being able to conceive his ideas, all of them remained very silent, attentive and receptive, and also tried to take notes, owes a lot to the notion about postmodernism, that it is a philosophy that breeds confusion, that fosters doubt. And the harder you find to grasp a concept in postmodernism, the more significant it appears. But I'm just getting off the track, I guess, and I should just back to the joke, guys. Back to the joke, because I'm not the right person to lecture you on postmodernism. Please take note of that. Now, after Derrida spoke for about an hour, there was a short break. Everybody just shared pleasantries. They enjoyed the refreshment, and after a while the break ended. Everybody resumed their seats. Derrida went to the podium again, and this time he started off his talk by the sentence, "Ladies and gentlemen, I am sorry. I am told that it is pronounced chaos." So I hope you enjoyed the joke. Now you must be thinking that why your old school English teacher laid so much emphasis on pronunciation. Let me take out this opportunity to draw your attention to some of the widely mispronounced words in our part of the world. अच्छा, ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर इन अल्फाज की मिसप्रोनाउंसिएशन से जो मुझे अभी याद आ रहे हैं आपकी कम्युनिकेशन में कोई फ़र्क रह जाएगा. सो एट द रिस्क ऑफ साउंडिंग पेडेंटिक, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा तनकीद को उस तरह से अप्रिशिएट नहीं किया जाता. सबसे पहले आप मेरी फ्रेंड से मिलें. से हेलो हेलो. अच्छा, ये मेरी सारी गुफ्तगू सुन रही है. तो मैं ये अर्ज़ कर रहा था कि जो लफ्ज़ मुझे इस वक्त टाइम भी याद आ रहे हैं, एक तो प्रोनाउंसिएशन इटसेल्फ. ये प्रोनाउंसिएशन नहीं है, इट्स प्रोनंसिएशन. ये मुगालता इस बात से जन्म लेता है कि हमें लगता है शायद ये प्रोनाउन की वजह का लफ्ज़ है, से निकला है. ये असल में इनंसिएशन से है. टू इनंसिएट मीन्स टू स्पीक लूसिडली एंड क्लियरली. अच्छा, दूसरा जो लफ्ज़ है वो डिटरमाइनेशन. इट्स नॉट डिटरमाइनेशन, इट्स डिटर्मिनेशन एंड डिटर्मिन. एक और लफ्ज़ है जी एपिटमी. इसको एपिटोम पढ़ते हैं लोग. एपिटमी है. इट्स कपबोर्ड. इट्स नॉट कपबोर्ड, इट्स कबर्ड. और हाँ, एक और लफ्ज़ है कंफर्टेबल. इट्स नॉट कंफर्टेबल, इट्स कंफर्टेबल. और आप भी कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए जो अल्फाज आपको लगता है कि हमारे यहाँ मिसप्रोनाउंस हो रहे हैं. बहरहाल प्रोनाउंसिएशन में इतना फ़र्क नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर جتنا کیوس میں اور کاؤس میں تھا تو پھر آپ انٹیلیجبل نہیں رہتے, آپ اپنی بات کمیونیکیٹ نہیں کر پاتے, اپنا معافی ضمیر اگلے کو سمجھا نہیں پاتے, چاہیں آپ دریدا جیسے جینیس ہی کیوں نہ ہو. جب آپ کیوس کو کاؤس پڑھیں گے تو یہ مسائل وہاں جنم لیتے ہیں. تو میرا خیال ہے آج کے لیے اتنا ہی کافی ہے. اپنا بہت سارا خیال رکھیے. سی یو. اور یوٹیوب چینل میرا لائک کیجیے اوپر, اس میں ہم اس طرح سے روزانہ کی بنیاد پہ کسی نہ کسی ٹاپک پہ گفتگو ہلکی پھلکی کرتے رہیں گے. اور مختلف کتابوں کے ریویوز بھی اس میں آپ کو ملیں گے, کچھ اچھے انٹرویوز ملیں گے, کچھ